For this video, brother, I will add this module to my DIY amplifier. This module, brother, is for speaker protection. Okay, brother, this is the positive main out of amplifier. Let's connect here. And this one, brother, is ground. Connect here. And this one, brother, is out of my speaker going to speaker terminal. I will connect here this screw. Okay, brother, this is the final connection. Positive out going here and ground or negative of speaker out here, and I connect R out to our speaker terminal, and the ground of this black wire is connected here to our ground of main capacitor. If you turn on power of this amplifier, brother, it will red light on and off, and the green is on. So the main amplifier is no error. If green is lights on, no error. This is the module for speaker protection. If red is on, there will be a error in main amp or DC out. Okay, brother, I will test, and thanks for watching. Until next video.